starter repair procedures, inspection, and cleaning. Inspection. Starter solenoid inspection. 1. Disconnect the lead wire from the M terminal of solenoid switch. 2. Connect the battery as shown. If the starter pinion pops out, it is working properly. To avoid damaging the starter, do not leave the battery connected for more than 10 seconds. 3. Disconnect the battery from the M terminal. If the pinion does not retract, the hold-in coil is working properly. 4. Disconnect the battery also from the body. If the pinion retracts immediately, it is working properly. Free running inspection. 1. Place the starter motor in a vise equipped with soft jaws and connect a fully charged 12-volt battery to starter motor as follows. 2. Connect a test ammeter, 150 ampere scale, and carbon pile rheostats shown as the illustration. 3. Connect a voltmeter, 15-volt scale, across starter motor. 4. Rotate carbon pile to the off position. 5. Connect the battery cable from battery's negative post to the starter motor body. 6. Adjust until battery voltage shown on the voltmeter reads 11 volts. 7. Confirm that the maximum amperage is within the specifications and that the starter motor turns smoothly and freely. Armature inspection. 1. Remove the starter. 2. Disassemble the starter as shown at the beginning of this procedure. 3. Inspect the armature for wear or damage from contact with the permanent magnet. If there is wear or damage, replace the armature. 4. Check the commutator, A, surface. If the surface is dirty or burnt, resurface with emery cloth or a lathe within the following specifications, or recondition with number 500 or number 600 sandpaper, B. 5. Check the commutator diameter. If the diameter is below the service limit, replace the armature. 6. Measure the commutator, A, runout. If the commutator runout is within the service limit, check the commutator for carbon dust or brass chips between the segments. If the commutator runout is not within the service limit, replace the armature. 7. Check the mica depth, A. If the mica is too high, B. Undercut the mica with a hacksaw blade to the proper depth. Cut away all the mica, C, between the commutator segments. The undercut should not be too shallow, too narrow, or V-shaped, D. 8. Check for continuity between the segments of the commutator. If an open circuit exists between any segments, replace the armature. 9. Check with an ohm meter that no continuity exists between the commutator, A, and armature coil core, B, and between the commutator and armature shaft, C. If continuity exists, replace the armature. Starter brush inspection. 1. Brushes that are worm out or oil soaked should be replaced. To seat new brushes, slip a strip of number 500 or number 600 sandpaper, with the grit side up, between the commutator and each brush, and smoothly rotate the armature. The contact surface of the brushes will be sanded to the same contour as the commutator. Starter brush holder inspection. 1. Check that there is no continuity between the plus brush holder, A, and plate, B. If there is continuity, replace the brush holder assembly. Overrunning clutch inspection. 1. Slide the overrunning clutch along the shaft. Replace it if does not slide smoothly. 2. Rotate the overrunning clutch both ways. Does it lock in one direction and rotate smoothly in reverse? If it does not lock in either direction of it locks in both directions, replace it. 3. If the starter drive gear is worn or damaged, replace the overrunning clutch assembly. The gear is not available separately. Check the condition of the flywheel or torque converter ring gear if the starter drive gear teeth are damaged. Cleaning. 1. Do not immerse parts in cleaning solvent. Immersing the yoke assembly and/or armature will damage the insulation. Wipe these parts with a cloth only. 2. Do not immerse the drive unit in cleaning solvent. The overrun clutch is pre-lubricated at the factory and solvent will wash lubrication from the clutch. 3. The drive unit may be cleaned with a brush moistened with cleaning solvent and wiped dry with a cloth. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.